And I'm back. Okay, here you go. This is good. This is a real life work situation, work type situation, situationship. I hate traffic. So, we've got some moss that's hanging on the edge of the shingles there. So, I was on the roof, which I did not enjoy the danger as much. So, what I'm gonna do, I've got a pole that extends. I'm gonna extend the pole. I'm gonna take it, I'm just gonna get on this ladder. I'm going to just give a little nice little rubbing, a little tapping. Extend the pole. I've got 2 poles to choose from. Well, here you go. I've got a Greenlee fish pole, they call it. It extends to 18 feet. I've also got another one, I think, that goes maybe further. We got it for putting up Christmas lights. You extend it way up high, telescopes out, tightens, extend it, you know, put the lights up on the tree. We use it to prepare for our wedding show. Flinging. Perfect. Now, this little hook thing, it doesn't spin around. As long as you lock it in, it spins now, but if you tighten it, it doesn't spin. So get it nice and tight, extend it out, get up on there. First of all, I gotta do some safety here. Gotta have safety gear on, gotta be safe. Like that song from, you listen to the news. Let's dance, dun, 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 dun. Put on your dance, safety dance. You listen to the news. Oh, they were on the soundtrack of that really cool, that really cool time travel movie, Time Cop, Chuck Norris. That was amazing. Okay, watch out. As the kids used to say, wow, do they say epic anymore? That used to be a thing. People, oh, it's so epic. Kind of like that band that had that song, Epic. Soundgarden had that song, Epic, you know? It goes, you want it, I'm falling to pieces. Epic by Soundgarden. Whoa! Eat less food, I say. Okay, that hat on, we're safe. Check this out. We've got cones. I've got cones right there to give myself, I don't want anybody parking there. I want a safe space for me to fall on. I'm gonna get up there, I'm gonna thrust it up, I'm gonna thrust the pole up, I'm gonna whack it, I'm gonna whack it down, and then maybe I can rub it off there. Don't listen to me. Kids, stay in school. Okay, all right, here we go. Whoa, okay. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. That's working really well. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. I'm not just saying that. Oh. If you're not careful with this pole, if you do a lot of that where you just close it by slamming it down, eventually you break off the butt. Leave the butt on there. But that's pretty much how that works. Not too bad. I can blow it off now with my blower. I don't think I need the vest anymore. Danger part is over. Okay, sorry. We'll edit that in post. What? Let's see here. Here I come from the foreground. Is this the foreground or is behind the camera the foreground? I don't know. Background. This is the foreground. Now I'm in the background. Now I'm in the foreground. Now I'm in the background. Now I'm in the foreground. Now I'm in the background. Let's break it down simply for all you Ryobi users. So look at this. This thing is crazy. It's the Extendo Reach. Extendo Reach. That's what we did. Lights for the wedding show. It's got little locks. Check this out. Unlock. What? The fudge. There we go. Okay. That's just one length, yo. It's, it's crazy. So long. Hey guys, look at that. Pretty sure I could reach the peak of the roof with this thing. I mean, if you want to get lights up on something really high or get to something really high, nothing beats the Extendo Reach. Look, I knocked the cone over here. We're not as safe. I'm gonna go blow it. Powerful. Don't blow your tiles up. Don't fill it everything, kids. We're a lot less mousy. Later, when it's getting hot, so later, probably do more. Do little bits before it gets hot. Just a little bit, you know.